Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Cast Iron Wednesday. It's actually Saturday. I actually took the day off today. This is the only YouTube video I'm going to shoot, or have shot. I actually was going to do something else today. I almost fall over on nothing. I was actually going to do something else and I just changed my mind. So I'm going to be doing pork chops with sweet potato. Kind of an interesting combo. I've never made it before, so I'm gonna prep my potato first. I made sure to get a smaller sweet potato this time, so I can so I won't have massive food coma later. I'm gonna throw a little mushroom in there, and then I'm gonna cheat a little bit because I'm gonna steam a little bit of broccoli. Even though it's supposed to be one skillet meal, but I like my broccoli steamed, so I guess you can just call me a cheater. Get to work. Alright, I'm just kind of cutting these up. Somewhat small-ish. I figured the smaller they're cut, the quicker they'll cook. Pan's warming up. And we get the pork going as soon as I'm done with this. Alright, so what I'm going to do with the pork is cut it in 3 pieces. I said I've actually never made this before. I'm just sort of winging it. See what happens. Get that big chunk of fat off. Alright. I'm going to sprinkle on some garlic. Maybe a little bit of paprika as well. That might be good. Maybe not so much. Alright. So kind of what I'm thinking is brown them first and then add the potatoes and then just cook it all up. Excuse me. Alright. Just kind of shifting these around. Dump that right in. heat. Add a little extra olive oil. Alright. Alright. Sweet. Alright. I got 4 brown mushrooms I'm going to add. I like mushrooms. Alright, just letting this cook on medium heat. Smells really good, I'll tell you that. Just try one of these sweet potatoes and see where they're at. Wow, that was still crunchy. Alrighty, I want to say it's been about 5 minutes. Check the sweet potato. Wow, still pretty crunchy. Maybe I should have started them first. Check the temp on the pork. So the pork's actually done, but the sweet potatoes are still crunchy. Should have started them first or cut them smaller. Not tempting all the way, but it's a smaller piece. Guess I'll give it another 5 minutes. Alright, check the potatoes. That's really the only thing I'm waiting on. That one was soft. I think we may have a winner. Oh yeah. Almost a little al dente, but so that one, but I'm going to call it. Alright, I just pulled it off the heat. Well, sweet potatoes taste really good. Try a bit of that pork. I thought it was going to show up, but pork might be a little done, but tastes good though. Tastes real good. Should probably dish some up and get to busy eating. Alright. It didn't quite come out the way I was envisioning, but The flavors are nice. So. Looks a bit of a mess, but alright. Let me go eat. Alright, well, clean plate. Actually watching a bunch of YouTube, so it's been a little bit. I got a little bit left, but if I eat any more, I'll be in food coma. Nobody wants that. It didn't come out looking like I was hoping it would. It still tasted good though, and that's what matters. So as always, I thank you for watching. Check the links below for Native Tears playlist and also Shovelhead 8. We'll catch you in the next one.